So I'm about to dry saute some onions and mushrooms, only using some water, and I have preheated the pan. I'm on the higher end of medium. So you can actually do a water test for this, and I'll show you how. So I just have a little bit of water here. The water, it first bubbled up, so you can see the water droplets kind of swirling around like they're dancing. That's what you want. And what you want the heat to allow the onions to release their moisture, and as they do that, they'll start to caramelize and brown. You'll see that these are bigger chunks than if I were to dice them, and that's because after I saute them with some mushrooms, I'm going to put them in the food processor. So I'm just moving them around. There's still a little bit of water in the bottom of the pan from when I did my water test, which is fine. I'm just going to continue to let them cook. Okay, it's been about 2 minutes, and I just stirred them again, and you'll see that they're becoming lighter in appearance. And so I'm just going to continue to let them saute. Okay, so it's been about 4 minutes. They're continuing to cook down, and they're lightening in color. I'm going to add the mushrooms. And my pan, they stay hot from the bottom up, the same amount of temperature and heat. And I do this because I want the flavors to really mesh well for my black bean wraps. Again, we're going to wait and allow the mushrooms to release some of their moisture as well. So I just added about a tablespoon of liquid smoke. So that's going to contribute to the extra moisture here. But again, it's just like adding some additional water in case it does become dry or start to stick. But otherwise, we're just continuing to let them cook. And again, we're doing this with no oil. Okay, so it's been a couple minutes. Everything has begun to release their juices. We have a lot of moisture. Nothing is sticking because of the amount of moisture. So we're just going to continue to let them saute until I feel like they're soft enough, because I'm going to be putting these in the food processor to make the black bean wraps. Everything has released. It's liquid, it's moisture. You can see I haven't added any more water, and everything looks like it's softened. Nothing's sticking. And there's plenty of moisture still in there from the combination of the onions and mushrooms. I'm just gonna move it in so you can see it a little bit better. And you can actually see and hear a lot of the moisture in there. That's how we dry saute without using any oil.